Can you guess what this person's PIN number is? I bet it includes a 3, a 9, and a 4. Oh look, I was right. How did I know? Today we're gonna be looking at how time wears things down. For example, this person has walked up and down their attic so many times, why, I don't know, don't ask me, that the wood is actually warping where they have stepped over the years. Something as simple as just walking can wear something down. By the way, if you like the shirt I'm wearing, you can get one on my merch store if you like. I have a bunch of designs. This is one of them. Here we have a clipboard that has obviously been being used for a long time. I would guess decades. Not quite sure why they tend to put the paper on the right-hand side in such a small piece of paper. But hey, I mean, everyone's got their quirks, right? This is someone's water canteen that they recently replaced. You can see clearly. On the right, we have the brand new one, and on the left, the old one. Exact same model, by the way, which is pretty cool. Even the plastic ring at the top is mostly gone. Oh, there was a handle too. Where did the handle go? It just breaks off, wears away to nothing after a while. This is what the door looks like after years of having a bell there. When people walk into the shop, the door brushes up against the bell, you know, so you know when a customer arrives. This is what happens after several years of the door brushing up against the bell. The wood is actually wearing away. I wonder what the bell looks like. These bricks are 300 years old, and they're inside of a bar, and that's where you put your feet when you sit at the bar. Over time, people putting their feet on the bricks have worn them down so badly, and if you look close, you can actually see the bricks are wearing away faster than the mortar that's holding them together. That is crazy. I wonder how long that napkin's been there. This person posted a picture of their great-grandfather's driver's license. It is printed on cloth, and his driver's license number is 052. He was the 52nd person to get a driver's license in Halifax, Yorkshire. I actually have my first driver's license too, still. They didn't make me turn it in, but I'm not going to show you because it's embarrassing. Here's a picture of a tree swallowing a no trespassing sign. Have a nice day. This piano has been played for so many years that the keys are actually starting to wear down where the person's fingertips touch them. This is like one of those things you get from a relative. It's cool because it's like a family heirloom, but at the same time, you can't actually play it. Because then the question becomes, do you fix it? Because it's kind of cool like that. I mean, obviously, if you fix it, then you can play it for real, but it's almost like a work of art. It's a historical piece now. I just don't understand how it got that bad in the first place. This person left one of their flip-flops in the window for 2 months, and this is how much it shrank in that amount of time. I did not know that was possible. This is a skateboard deck that scratches off as you ride it to reveal another picture underneath. In this case, it looks like a Snickers bar that gets unwrapped the more you ride your skateboard. Dude. It's making me hungry. This is a corner store in England, and if you look closely, the flooring is wearing away where people stand at the checkout counter. I don't know how long this store has been there, but it might be time to renovate. Here's what a carpenter's mask looks like after working one 8-hour shift compared to a brand new clean one. Good thing you were wearing a mask. Jeez, could you imagine? All that would be in your lungs. This one's kind of interesting. This is just a building where the paint is peeling off, but if you look closely, you'll see that the paint is actually making the design of a lion. Can you see the face, the eyes, and the nose and the mouth? It's even got ears. That's pretty cool. This appears to be someone's workbench where stalactites are forming after years of paint dripping off the edge. I really don't know how that happens. I just can't even visualize it, but it's pretty cool. This tree and the address sign are merging into one. The tree is actually consuming the sign, and it looks like the tree itself is actually painted green and white. It's not though. That's just these two objects merging together. That is so strange. Huh. If you've ever been to the beach, you may have noticed that things closer to the water tend to erode away much faster than things far away. Exhibit A. On the left, we have a nut and bolt far away from the water, and on the right, a nut and bolt which are close to the water at the beach. It's pretty obvious here that the water has eroded the metal. Even the wood looks like it's significantly different in the picture on the right. You can also tell in the background, everything is just warped on the right-hand side from the water. That is crazy. I don't even know how many years this has been there, but I don't think they will be unscrewing the one on the right anytime soon. This is a drain pipe where after years of water running down, it's actually stripped away the top layer of the concrete. You can see the rocks on the inside. That's just purely from the drainage eroding away the concrete. That is so weird. Everything else in the picture doesn't even look that old. Believe it or not, this path in the grass was actually formed during the COVID-19 quarantine by one person who ran so many sprints that they made a path where they ran their hill sprints. And that person definitely was not me. This is what it looks like when a cat licks a slice of cheese over and over and the owner just lets it happen. Huh. I would think that eventually the cat would just, want to take a bite of the cheese, but apparently he's just content to just keep licking it until there's a hole. I don't see the appeal. Whatever. This person only plays the piano with socks on, and you can tell because the pedal on the right-hand side, the pedal they admittedly use the most, is polished and shiny, while the two pedals on the left are, well, not as polished and shiny. That's pretty cool, actually. Somewhere out there, there's a teaspoon that has been used to stir coffee so many times that the tip is actually worn flat. Hey, wait a second. Does that mean there's like metal shavings in your coffee? At Turkey Run State Park, there apparently is a staircase in the stone because so many people have walked up this path. Now this, I'm not sure if it was truly from people walking on it or if maybe they just started carving the steps and then people did the rest. Honestly, I just find that so hard to believe. Stone steps would wear away like that? Like, how does that even make sense? I don't get it. Then again, that's nothing new. This person kept every pen they used during their 4 years of college. They even took pains to label them empty, broken, or unfinished. You definitely seem like the type of person to not drop out of college, unlike someone else I know. This poor wall is being eroded away on the bottom because so many people are using their swipe card on a daily basis. It's actually made a huge chip scraping all the way down. That poor wall. I would say it needs some paint, but it's beyond paint at this point. It needs to be filled in. He just needs help. He needs help. This is somebody's old truck key. Now, to be honest, I don't know if this still works or not, but for some reason they're hanging on to it. If the key looks like that, well then I kind of wonder what the truck looks like. Here we have another skateboard that the more you ride it, it scratches away the paint and shows a picture underneath. This one is a bunch of roses. Oh, that's such a cool idea. I love that. This person decided to power wash their driveway for the first time in 12 years. You can see on the left before they power washed it, and on the right is what it looked like after the power wash. Wait, why is it green? It looks moldy. Dude, that was bad. That driveway, it really needed that power wash. After 5 years on the job, this guy's wife insisted that he buy new steel-toed boots for work. Jeez, dude, how many times do you stub your toe? You know what? 5 years is actually a really long time. This is what a telephone pole looks like after decades of people stapling signs to the pole. Yes, those are staples, and there are thousands of them. Does somebody go around and pull the staples out? You know, I guess I never really thought about that. Like, why don't all telephone poles look like this? I've never seen this before. That is crazy. This sign is actually not a decorative sign. It is just so old that the paint is starting to peel, and so local residents decided to make it look a little more decorative by making the fonts look like something from a comic book. I'm on board. I think that's a great idea. Here we have another piano, except this one's a little different. This piano has been played so much that the pedal actually has a hole worn all the way through on the right-hand side. Kind of looks like a bottle opener, actually. Oh, that would be so handy. This dog's spots have gradually faded away over the years. On the left is when he was the youngest, and then of course on the right is what he looks like now. I'm not sure what caused this. I guess it's just getting old. It even happens to dogs, apparently. Huh. Speaking of dogs, this dog has his favorite spot every time they go for a car ride. Can you guess where it is? He's always got to be in the same spot, and you can see that his paw has peeled away the dirt and the paint and the primer, and it looks like some of the gray metal that's actually underneath the paint and primer. Like, geez, dude, it's one thing to peel away the paint, but it's actually taking away the metal too. Hey man, he just loves car rides, okay? You might think the dog on this statue has been painted gold, but it's actually just worn away after years of people petting the dog as they walk by the statue. Wait, so is the statue gold on the inside, or like, how does that work? I don't understand. What is this? I don't know what's happening. This painter used the same stirring stick for an entire year and then cut it in half. And this is what it looks like on the inside. This part right here is the actual stirring stick. And every time he uses it to stir paint and dries, it adds another layer. It looks like a tree branch, actually. That's pretty cool. Hang on a sec. Why do tree branches look like that on the inside? You might think this is an optical illusion, but it's actually just a rug that has been on the ground for so many years that it's formed itself around the rocks. So basically the rug just gave up. I'm done. I've reserved myself to this fate. I will never be used for anything other than this again. I respect that. This Italian castle is 700 years old, and these holes in the stone were caused by rain. 700 years of rainfall caused these giant holes. To be honest, it kind of looks like a sink at a fancy hotel. Yes, I've been to a fancy hotel before, okay? It was really nice. You might think this rock is painted to look like a brick, but it's actually a chunk of a brick wall that broke off and fell in the water, and after years of the stream running over it, it smoothed the edges. And this is what a small chunk of brick wall looks like when smoothed by water. Wait, so a brick's just kind of like rocks basically then? After a lot of rain, this pothole kept getting worse until it revealed what was underneath the road. an old railroad track. They covered it up with bricks and then paved it to be a modern street. You know what? That's actually pretty shallow. You'd think they would have buried it a little deeper, but I guess it doesn't matter. Kind of provides support when there is a pothole, I guess, so it doesn't get as deep. I don't know. Dude, I hate potholes. One time in my van, it popped my tire because the pothole was so bad I didn't see it. 'Cause it was at nighttime. My big van that I had made. That really sucked. This chain is so old and rusted that it actually looks like it's made out of wood. But this is not a wood carving. It's a real chain, and it's been being used for decades. Good job, chain. You're doing your job. Somebody needs to put some oil on it or something, though. It's looking pretty rough. This dog likes to run laps around the pool while the family's swimming, and you can see where he runs because there is a track of dead grass around the entire pool. My parents had a dog like that. My dad was always mad because it, like, killed the grass. Yeah, it's pretty funny. This tire got worn down so much that you can actually read the words replace tire in the middle of the tread. I didn't know tires did that, but something tells me if you've waited that long to replace the tire, like, you've probably waited like way too long. This local restaurant smooths the edges of bowls when they get chipped and keeps reusing them. Honestly, that's kind of cool and also very resourceful. I chipped my tooth one time and I just thought it kind of gave me character. Just like those bowls. The bolt on the right-hand side has been worn down because of the vibration. It's actually been worn down to almost nothing. Yeah, it's definitely time to replace it, although I'm not sure how you would even get it off. Glad that's not my job. This is a pumpkin that these people carved 3 years ago. Honestly, it probably looks scarier now than it did when they initially carved it, which for Halloween, that's kind of what you're going for, so I guess maybe keep your pumpkins for a couple years. This is actually an old spool of wire, and the pattern you see is just rust. It naturally formed to make that pattern. I don't know why, and I don't know how long it took. That's pretty cool. I like that. That looks like art. Originally, this was a metal statue of a Doberman, but over the years, it has rusted away in a way that makes the color markings actually look like a real Doberman. I don't know why it would rust in that pattern. You gotta admit, though, that's pretty cool. This hiking sign was posted on a tree, and over the years, the tree has actually eaten the hiking sign, and all you see now is the person walking. You know, this might actually be a sign from nature saying, turn back now. I don't know. Pretty creepy if you ask me. This person kept their stuffed animals after 21 years. Can you tell which one was their favorite? Yes, it's the creepy one right there. Actually, they all look pretty creepy. I'm not sure why kids' toys used to look so creepy. This work of art is actually a chunk of wall taken from a Detroit car factory. The design you see is simply years of paint buildup on the wall, which I don't really understand. Like, do they just like keep painting the wall, or is that residue from when they spray the cars? I don't know anything. This old screen actually has the Pac-Man video game shapes burnt into the screen. I don't think I've ever met a person who loves Pac-Man so much that they would actually play it enough to like ruin the TV so that it burns the image into the screen like that. That kind of makes me a little concerned. Took my dad to see if his car was still there where the engine seized on him 40 years ago. Spoiler alert, the car was still there. Poor dad, he doesn't look very happy to see it. You know, I guess that would be a pretty sad experience if you just totally abandoned your car. Like it was that bad. Like you didn't get it towed or fixed. You're just like, screw it. This car's junk. It's not even worth saving. I'm out of here. Yeah, that might be a little depressing. This is the inside of an old pipe that someone cut open. Now, what you see on the inside is layers of lime scale. This pipe had been being used for years, and as you can see, the water flow had significantly been impacted. Lime scale. Huh. I don't know what that is. If you like this video, then you would probably love this video. It's a dude who photoshops images based on requests, and he does it in a really, well, quote-unquote bad way. He does exactly, literally word for word what the people ask him to do, but at the same time, it's totally not what they asked him to do, and I recommend watching it right now. Also, if you end up getting any merch, let me know so I can thank you profusely, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.